Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're just going to do one little change to the code. So it's the wait for special move animations, and this is where we instantiate the energy ball. Now we have a slight offset for the x-axis, which is fine when the player is on the left, but when the player and the opponent switch sides, we need to alter this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come just above it and we'll create space, and then we'll come to the S1 movement script, the void update, and these if blocks we created in the previous video. If player's position is less than opponent's or greater than, we set the movement vector. We'll copy those if blocks and we shall paste them in here. So firstly, we don't need to assign a movement vector in this script, so let's just get rid of those lines. If I come to the top, as you can see, we already have a reference for the game object and the player 1 game object and the opponent's 2. So we can use those variables. So if player 1 axis is less than underscore opponent, we can leave the comments as they are. The script still works exactly the same, we're just using a different variable name. And we'll just tidy all that up. So this code for when that works when the player is on the left, let's cut that and we're going to paste that into the first if block. So let's tidy that up. We don't need to make any changes to that, but we do now. We've pasted it again into the second if block. I'll just get rid of the empty lines there. So this is the plus for the variable for the x-axis, and we're just going to change that to a minus. That's all we need to do. And of course we shall change the comment also. Let's save that off. We'll just downsize it for now and we're going to test it out. So this is going to be the last video for the first special move. Obviously we have 2 more to do, and that's just for play 1. So what we're going to do in the next couple of videos is we're going to tidy up the code, because I know the project can be glitchy at times. We're going to fix all that, so it'll be another few videos of updates, fixes and tweaks as I've done before. And after that I'm going to let you decide. So if you want me to do the other special moves first, let me know. If you prefer me to do something else, like a bit more of the enemy AI, leave me a comment and we'll come back to the special moves at a later date. I will leave it up to you. So now I'm just going to throw out a energy ball. I've just unmuted the audio so you can hear that's working. Let's mute it again. It just makes it a little bit easier to record so I don't have to shout over the game. So we'll take the black robot, the player 1, and we're just going to move them to the right. So now we're on this side of the screen, and we do have a problem with the reverse controls for the movement. But as you can see, the energy ball is just fine. We're still getting that glitch. Now I have, let me just pause that for a second before the player dies because of being constantly hit. What I do is I make copies of my project and I use those for testing. So I have worked out how that glitch is occurring, so that's something we will be fixing in the next few videos, along with quite a few other things we're just going to clean up and just get the game running a lot smoother. But I'm just going to unmute, see if we... So we're still getting that constant hit on the player here. I'm not too worried about that because I already know how to fix that. But the main thing is the energy ball special move works, and it works from both sides. So that is more or less the code complete now for the S1 movement. Obviously you might need to come to the scripts in the inspector and just tweak values and things, but that's it for now. So the next few videos are just going to be debugging the project, getting it running smoothly, and then we'll carry on with other features. And as for those other features, what you want me to tackle next, as I say, just leave me a little message in the comments. But I think we'll leave it here for now. So very different video, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.